Hello, how to solve for x and y from these given nice equations. X squared minus y is equal to 73. Y squared minus s is equal to 73. Solution. We can see that there are two equations here such that x is not equal to y. Then x squared minus y is equal to 73. Let's call this equation 1. And y squared minus s is equal to 73. Let's call this equation 2. Now let's subtract equation 1 from equation 2. That is x squared minus y minus y squared minus x is equal to 73 minus 73. X squared minus y squared plus s is equal to 0. This is x squared minus y squared plus x minus y is equal to 0. This is in form of perfect square. If you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Then this can be written as s plus y multiplied by x minus y plus x minus y is equal to 0. Now from here, s minus y is common. Let's bring it out. S minus y bracket s plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is s minus y is equal to 0. Therefore, s is equal to y. But from the definition, we know that s is not equal to y. Therefore, this is not equal to this. So we consider this second case. The second case is s plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then s plus y is equal to minus 1. Let's call this equation 3. Let's add equation 1 and 2. Then equation 1 is s squared minus y, then plus y squared minus s is equal to 73 plus 73. Now this is s squared minus y plus y squared minus s is equal to 73 plus 73. That is 146. Then this is s squared plus y squared minus s minus y is equal to 146. Now s squared plus y squared is equal to 146. If you take this to the other side, it becomes plus s plus y. But x plus y is equal to minus 1. So this is s squared plus y squared is equal to 146 plus minus 1. S squared plus y squared is equal to 145. Let's call this equation 4. From equation 3, x plus y is equal to minus 1. Let's square both sides of this equation. S plus y square is equal to minus 1 square. Now s plus y multiplied by s plus y is equal to minus 1 square is 1. So this is s square plus xy plus sy plus y square is equal to 1. This is s square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 1. And let's rearrange this. S square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 1. But s square plus y square is equal to s square plus y square is equal to, but s square plus y square is equal to 145. So we have from here 145 plus 2xy is equal to 1. Now 2xy will be equal to 1 minus 145. This is 2sy is equal to minus 144. Let's divide both sides by 2. We have divided by 2, divided by 2. Then sy will be equal to 2 here, 1, 2 here, 72. That is minus 72. But from this rule that s minus y square is equal to s plus y square minus 4sy. But xy is equal to minus 72. Now x plus y is equal to minus 1. Let's substitute. Here is s minus y square is equal to minus 1 square minus 4 bracket minus 72. So this is x minus y square is equal to minus 1 square, that is 1, minus 4 times minus 72, that is plus 188. And this is x minus y square is equal to 1 plus 188, that is 189. So let's take the square root of both sides. Square root of x minus y square is equal to square root of 189. So this will cancel this. X minus y is equal to square root of 189, that is 17. Let's call this equation 6. Now let's add equation 3 and 6. Then equation 3 is s plus y is equal to minus 1, and equation 6 is s minus y is equal to 17. Let's add the two. We can solve it simultaneously using the elimination method. So this will cancel this. S plus s, 2s is equal to minus 1 plus is 17, that is 16. So let's divide both sides by 2, divided by 2. This will cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 8. S is equal to 8. We know the value of s, which is 8. Let's substitute for s in any of these equations, either equation 3 or equation 6. But I'm going to make use of this equation 6. Then from equation 6, x minus y is equal to 17. When s is 8, we have 8 minus y is equal to 17 minus y is equal to 17 minus 8, and minus y is equal to 17 minus 8. This is 9. Therefore y is equal to minus 9. This is the value of y. Therefore, our final answers are s is equal to 8, y is equal to minus 9. This is the final answer. Now we can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. Let's use either equation 1 or 2, but I'm going to make use of equation 1. Equation 1 is s squared minus y is equal to 73 when s is equal to 8 and y is equal to minus 9. So this is 8 squared minus bracket minus 9 must be equal to 73. So 8 squared is 64 minus times minus, that is plus 9, must be equal to 73. 64 plus 9, that is 73, is equal to 73. This satisfies the given equation at s equal to 8 and y is equal to minus 9. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the step. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.